Hi, this is Mandy from Sunflowers and Doors. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, so it's really good to catch up with you guys again. Just a quick one from me, just to introduce the new kit and the new challenge that will be taking place in the Junk Journal Fix with Sunflowers and Doors Facebook group. All the information will be in the video description below. But the new kit linked to the challenge is called Letters from the Attic. It's another creative month where we're playing with the new kit and the coordinating freebies that will be shared each week in the group. Everything's designed to feel soft, inspiring and completely pressure-free. Just a really lovely way to create and play alongside with friends. So each week you'll receive a new bundle of freebies and you're more than welcome to carry them forward into the following weeks. The more you mix and match, the more possibilities open up. The kit will be available in my Etsy with a normal 25% off for the month, or the challenge month. There will also be an add-on kit. So the original kit is in the pink tones. There will be a blue version as an add-on. So hoping that you're going to love those. Over the next few weeks in the group, we'll share 4 simple prompts and you can join in for 1 week, a couple of weeks, or all 4, whatever feels right for you, for your time, your energy and creativity. And as a little thank you for taking part, every week you join, you'll earn 1 entry into the end of the month giveaway, where 1 lucky winner will receive a digital kit from my Etsy. Kay will be running the event and there'll be loads more information on her YouTube channel, so keep an eye out. But I just wanted to quickly pop in and say hello and just give you a sneak preview of the kit. Hope you can join in the fun and would really love to know what you think, so feel free to drop me a message and I'll catch up with you soon. Until then, as always, stay safe, be well. Bye for now.